Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a charged Realme C35 and a quick backup before proceeding. This prevents data loss if you power cycle. First, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Once done, tap Restart. If Restart isn't present, hold power and volume down together for 10 seconds to force reboot. Make sure to notice whether safe mode persists after reboot. If it does, do not factory reset yet. We'll try app and cache fixes next. Once the phone restarts into normal mode, go straight to Settings and check recently installed apps. Often a third-party app forces safe mode. Uninstall the most recent app, then reboot to test. Repeat until safe mode clears. If apps aren't the cause, power off and enter recovery by holding power plus volume up, navigate to wipe cache partition, and confirm. This removes temporary files without erasing personal data. Make sure to reboot if safe mode still won't turn off after removing apps and clearing cache. Back up everything and perform a factory reset from settings or recovery. This step removes user data and often fixes persistent software faults. After reset, set up the phone without reinstalling all apps immediately. Install one app at a time to detect the culprit. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode returns even after reset, the issue may be hardware or firmware. Make sure to contact Realme support or visit an authorized service center for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.